Mayday, TACA 110. We lost an engine.
Both engines.
Both engines, sir. Both engines.
TACA 110, I'm gonna vector you to Lakefront Airport. You're only 11 miles from Lakefront.
I don't think I will make it. I don't have any
Power in the engines. I guess I'm gonna have to make a ditching here, sir.
TACA 110, roger. Whatever you need to do, sir.
Look at that one over there.
We put it down on the grass?
Yes, boss. That's where we're going to go in.
You got it, my friend.
Prepare the cabin.